In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, we are back, Alhamdulillah, in Pakistan International School Types Virtual Learning System 2020-21. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Allah. Dear students, once again, welcome in Pakistan International School Types grade 6 class for subject science. In today's lecture, we will continue chapter number 10, that is about properties of light, and we have seen lots of things about properties of lights and main focus on the reflection in this chapter, where we have seen plane mirror, its reflection, and image formation, ray diagram, as well as we have seen some devices, instruments, which where we use reflection and plane mirrors. Today we will see some types of mirrors. There is no only plane mirror, but some other types of mirrors also there. What are these and how the image formation is done by these mirrors, we will see in this lecture. So let's get started. Today our focus is on the types of mirrors. So we know that all the reflecting surfaces are not flat. So if they are flat, they are called plane mirror, and some are curved also in the shape like this. You can see here a very big mirror is placed here. So those are called curved mirrors. So plane mirrors we have talked about in all previous lectures. Right now we are going to see about curved mirrors. So what are curved mirrors? Curve mirrors actually is a part of a curve like the bend like this. So they are having two types, two main types which we'll study, that is concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror. The curve, that is the curved mirror, and its inner side is curved. This side is curved and this side is reflecting surface. Outside that is not reflecting, that can be polished, like through which there is a layer of polish. So through this the light cannot reflect, but the reflection is from inside. So like it is like inside of the spoon, you can see the image also, it's inverted also. So concave means the reflecting surfaces is the curved, inner curved surface. So the other one is convex mirror. Convex mirror is like the outside of the curved spoon, of the bowl of the spoon, that is outside, that is having the large and upright image. So you can see here that its upper, like its outer curved surface is like this. Its upper outer surface is reflecting, but inner one is polished. From here side polished, like it is not shiny. Okay, so curved mirrors are concave and convex, so you can see how the image formation. Concave mirror is said to be converging mirror. The name is telling you that the light, when light rays reflect here, so they converge. Converge means they combine at a point. That point is called focus. So here the image is formed. So that is convex mirror, concave mirror, sorry. Convex mirror is always diverging, like when the light light rays strike over the outer bending surface of the convex mirror. So they strike in other directions in the same like in the opposite direction. Yes, so image will be formed at the back of this mirror where the like whenever we talk about image will form where the light rays meet. So these the light rays meet their imaginary lines. So that is called focus, but that is beyond this one. So that is divergent. Diverging mirror means the light rays strikes and scattered. They don't combine anywhere in front of the mirror. The light rays diverge, they spread. That's why that's called diverging mirror or convex. So now we will see that how these mirrors form the images. First of all, we see uses of these mirrors in our daily life. So a plane mirror forms an upright virtual image which is same in size as that of the object we have seen before. So a plane mirror is used for as a looking glass. So it is also used in periscope. We have seen this in the telescope, in microscopes, or to reflect the light. Now we will see convex mirror forms an upright virtual image which is smaller in size. Virtual image which is smaller in size. This is about the convex. We have seen that convex is diverging mirror, so it makes the image at the back of the mirror. So you can see that mirror is used as security mirrors in the shops, by which we can see the smaller in size, but lots of things can be seen in this image. So the upright virtual image is there. And we also see this image in car wing mirrors, by which we can see lots of things at a point, like lots of things all together, because it makes a smaller image and clear image and upright image. That's why that is used in the wing mirrors. Then we will see the blind corner mirrors, which are placed and fixed, especially on the mountains where there is a turn, there are bends, so that there must not be accidents, so that the coming cars can see the other cars also. So because that can see the images which are very far away, so here they can see properly all type of vehicles or conveyance which are coming here. So there is less chances of accidents. Concave mirrors forms a real image, upside down image also. Look, you can see here that is used by the dentist. Dentist mirror, you can see upside down. This is upside down, opposite direction. You can see of the um, that teeth, as well as real image they form, because they are formed at the same side where the object is placed. And then it forms upright virtual image and very big image if the object is very close to the mirror. There is a difference where the object is placed. If the object is very close, so it forms virtual image, because the image will form at the back of the mirror, and big image also. But if we see just place the object at the back, we take the mirror at, far away from the object, so what will happen, it will make real upside image. We will see formation of image in the next slide. And then it is used in the dentist mirror, as you have seen. It is used in the cosmetic mirror as well, that is having two sides, convex and concave. Especially concave is used for cosmetic mirror, so that we can just see it closer look of any object, like it forms a bigger image. Then we are having headlight mirrors, which are placed in the motorbikes and cars. So that is having concave mirror, so it means the light is reflected more from here, and it will just we can say making very, very uh, mm, uh, strong light indeed. And in the torch, in searchlight mirrors, they also be used like this. This is concave mirror. The lights are just they are converging here. All the light rays are converging here at a point. So you can see this one. Now we will see some terms related to curved mirrors. These are very, very important to understand the image formation. A curved mirror is a part of a curve or a sphere. Like this is a sphere. If we divide this in a half like this, this forms a curve. So the center of the curve is called center of curvature. Like the center of this mirror or this round one, that is called curvature. So when it will be divided like this, so this is the central point of this one, so this will be curvature. So curvature will be here, that is represented by C, capital C. The center of mirror is called the pole and is denoted by P. This center or the center point of the curve, this whole, we can see the circle, that is this one curvature, but center of the mirror uh, in front of this curvature, that is called P, that is called principal focus or principal. And now the line joining from C to P, that is called principal axis. You can see here, this is C and P of this side and this side because both are different. If we just take this one, so it is polished from here, reflecting from this side, so that is convex mirror. So if you see this one, this is polished from outside and reflecting from this side, so that is concave mirror. So both are having principal focus. This is convex mirror, this is concave mirror. So both are having principal focus, the central point of the mirror, and center of curvature, the center of curve. Now we will see image formation of concave and convex mirror. Very basic, that how the image is formed in concave mirror. When light strikes, light rays strike like this mirror parallel to its principal axis, like this is principal axis and these are parallel like this, not convergent and not just cutting it from inside, but it's just parallel, like moving with the principal axis. After reflecting, they reflect and pass through a common point where they are gonna um, uh, they strike and converge, or we can say where the rays meet. So this common point is called principal focus. Principal focus, or that is denoted by F, and a concave mirror has an original principal focus F. That's why it can form real images on the screen, because the image is formed on the same direction where the object is placed. So now we'll see different characteristics, that if we move the object anywhere on the concave or convex mirror, how the image is formed. So number one is if the image object is beyond the principal focus. Like here is the real focal point, but here is the image will be as the same as the object is. But if the object is placed beyond this one, very far away from the focal point, the image will be real, but that will be upside down because the rays will meet here. So we can represent this by this, because you have to draw these diagrams on your notebook as well. So the rays are coming from here in this direction, they will come down, and uh, they come from here, meet here, but that is we can say the incident ray are meeting here, so that is not the point. Where the reflected rays meet, they are, that is the common point, and here the image is formed from its principal axis. So here is the image, so we can see the smaller and inverted image, upside down image here. Then we are having, if the object is very near to the concave mirror, like inside the focus point, uh, principal focus. So what will happen? The image forms behind the mirror because light rays strike very soon here. One move from here, some just from the common focal point, and others diverge, like they move in different direction. So when they meet on the other side, that is imaginary line, which means on the other side, you can see upright, straight upright image is there, but it is larger in size. So that is virtual image. We have just told you before, when the object is moved very near toward the concave mirror, the image will be more bigger and upright, as well as it is virtual image. You can see this type of experiment while moving the spoon, inward curve of the spoon towards your face, near and far away from your face, then you can see it better. That is the experimental proof of that. So here you can see the object is placed near the mirror, so light rays just join on the other side of the mirror, so image is bigger in size. The next one, image with a convex mirror. We have talked about concave mirror if the object is beyond the principal focus, and if it is very near to the principal of focus. Now we will see the convex mirror always spreads light, that's why it is called divergent. Okay, divergent mirror, because it spreads the light rays. So when light rays parallel to the principal focus, so they always divergent on that direction. So how will they form the image? They will form when they meet at the back of the mirror, like in the plane mirror. So they will become here in the focus point, so image will be formed here. But what happened? So the principal focus of the convex mirror is at the back, not at the front. So that's why it forms always virtual image. So now we will see it produces virtual upright smaller image when the object is at any distance in on front of. If it is near towards the we can say here the convex mirror, or it is far away from that, that is principal axis, that is focus, that is center of curvature, that is the object. So look, light rays are striking, but they are divergent. But they are meeting here at this point at the back of the mirror, so it makes smaller image, upright image, but it is also virtual. Diminished image means a smaller image. Virtual also because it is at the back of the mirror, so it will be replaced when the object is removed from the mirror. So dear students, that's it for today. I hope you understood all the lecture, and let's have a summary of this chapter. In this chapter we have studied about behavior of the light in different ways, like transmission, absorption and reflection. Then we have seen that uh, some laws of reflection are there, and we have seen some surfaces or rough surface or smooth surfaces, how the light reflects from these surfaces. We have seen uh, then about some instruments, telescope, microscope, kaleidoscopes, and then we have seen how the kaleidoscope is formed and how it does the multiple reflection. Then we have seen curved mirrors and curved mirrors, types of curved mirrors, and then we have seen image formation by these curved mirrors. So dear students, I hope you understood all this. At the end, inshallah, I'll share in the group the homework, so you have to do complete your exercise. um, MCQs as well as fill in the blanks on the book, and short and long questions you have to attempt on the notebook and then send it to me. If you have any question, you can contact me in the Zoom meeting so right after the lecture. Wish you all the best. Till then, Allah Hafiz.